Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're always on the hunt for products that live up to their promises and help you look your best, effortlessly. Today we're talking about an eyeliner that claims to go the distance, the Lord & Berry Smudge-Proof Eyeliner. But does it really deliver on its bold, smudge-proof promises? Let's find out. This pencil eyeliner is designed for anyone who needs an eyeliner that stays in place, even on the busiest days. Whether you're juggling work, workouts, or a hot summer day, this product claims to have you covered. It's a waterproof, sweat-resistant formula that promises not to budge. Let's dive into the details of how it stacks up in real-world testing. The first thing you'll notice when using this eyeliner is how incredibly smooth the application is. The texture is creamy, no dragging or pulling on your delicate eyelid skin. It glides on easily, delivering intense pigmentation with just one swipe. That's a huge plus if you're someone who prefers a quick and efficient makeup routine without sacrificing the boldness of your eye look. From the get-go, the color payoff is impressive. It gives a striking, rich look that won't fade throughout the day. In terms of longevity, this eyeliner absolutely lives up to its claims. I wore it from morning until evening, and it stayed intact without smudging or transferring. Even on a busy day, when I was sweating from moving around, it didn't budge. If you have oily or combination skin, you'll appreciate how well it holds up in different conditions. I even tested it during a workout, and it remained perfectly intact. No raccoon eyes in sight. Now, let's talk about versatility. One thing I noticed was how easily I could switch between soft, smudged-out looks and sharp, defined lines. Whether I wanted a dramatic cat eye or just a subtle, everyday look, the Lord & Berry Smudge-Proof Eyeliner delivered. It's especially great for mature skin too, as it doesn't tug or pull, making it gentle for sensitive eyes. Plus, its hypoallergenic formula makes it suitable for anyone with eye sensitivities, which is always a bonus when dealing with delicate areas like the eyes. As for the packaging, it's sleek, functional, and travel-friendly. The pencil is sturdy, and while it's not the twist-up type, the product's performance more than makes up for that. The only real con here is that it requires sharpening, so you'll need to make sure you have a good sharpener on hand. For the price point, this eyeliner is a solid buy. Considering its performance, pigmentation, and durability, it holds up well against higher-end alternatives, especially when you compare the cost. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting eyeliner that doesn't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. As for comparisons, there are other smudge-proof and waterproof eyeliners on the market, but the Lord & Berry stands out with its versatility and ability to work on sensitive eyes. Some high-end options can be pricier with minimal added benefits, so this product offers strong value for what you're paying. So who's this eyeliner for? If you need an eyeliner that won't let you down, whether you have a busy lifestyle, sensitive eyes, or just need something that can handle the heat, this might be the one for you. It's a great option for those who want a reliable, all-day eyeliner that delivers intense pigmentation and stays put no matter what. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've tried the Lord & Berry Smudge-Proof Eyeliner, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.